Yeah, they didn't do it in terms of maintenance. Welcome to Beyond Repair. Today we have a 981 Porsche Boxster base and we're doing basic maintenance. I would like to show you how to quickly and easily swap your air filters and just do the routine maintenance yourself instead of spending a ton of money. As you can tell, I'm doing the video series, so don't look at my hands. This is from the wheels. That's another story. You'll see it in another episode. Today we're gonna open up the boot, the trunk, whatever you call it, and we will replace 2 engine air filters. So let's get to it. Easily grab it, pull it up, remove it. Same goes for the other side. Grab, pull up, remove it. Now you have access to the carpet. What we need to do is to remove that carpet. So seal out, carpet pull, and it's gonna be tight, but eventually it will go. Slowly fold it. We don't want to break stuff, so take your time. And when you fold it, you have a couple of things. First, you should have your trunk light working, and for some reason mine it's not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the light bulb and just look at it. This is LED, it's not working, so I would have to troubleshoot that. Yeah, it's just a connection issue. Huh. Alright, so somebody must put it the wrong way. Fixed! Awesome! Alright, so let's pop the trunk light by pressing on that white tab. Then we're gonna slide it forward. It will get us better access, and right now we need to release it like so. Okay, see, I fixed more than air filters. All right, let's look at it. You have 2 air filters. One is gonna be this guy, the other one sits behind that box. This is one of your ECUs, computer modules. So let's start with the easy one, or maybe let's just get access, and after that we will remove both filters. I want to also lift it up and look for any signs of previous issues, damages, because I have no history about this car. So let's take our 8 or 10 mil. Let's look. This is probably 10 mil. Yes, it's a 10 mil. Pretty much anything on this car is not T55, it's gonna be a 10 mil, right? So we're gonna take that guy, this one on the bottom, store it the way that you will find them later, and right now I'm just gonna move this guy out of the way without disconnecting. So it's also mounted right here. I don't trust the previous owners, and therefore we're gonna check to avoid major failures. That's the second one on top. Now we have better access, and as you can tell, you just simply slide it. That one should be just press on the 2 tabs. I'm gonna disconnect it and show it to you right now. Take a look. You have 2 spots where you just place your fingers, squeeze it, release down. That's it. Simple, right? Okay, now you have access to airbox. Okay, I just checked, it's a T25. T20 was too loose, and all we have to do is just take the biggest possible ratchet for the smallest possible bolt and easily remove it. I think it's a finger tight because it's a plastic, and yeah, It's super easy. So we just take that guy, right, store it. You have two hooks, you have to grab it like so, and when you do, it should easily come out. Yeah, easily. Yeah, they didn't do it in terms of maintenance. It's long overdue. Come on. That's the replacement that I bought from one of the stores. They're not sponsoring the video, I'm not gonna tell you which one, but obviously on the box you got an idea. 172985 part number, Phoebe Bilstein part. Now we need a couple of torques. It's gonna be like 2 right here, and it looks like I would need the extension. Give me a sec. Much better. So the T25, remove here and here. Can you tell the difference? Of course you can. So we just put it, we have a tap and we have a rounded spot. So tap is on my right, meaning it has to go like this. You see, it's a flat spot or rounded tap. So we just aligned and get it seated. Let's lock it in place. Just finger tight. Don't go crazy, it's a plastic. Good. Alright, besides leaving some marks, we're ready to install it back. And let's take a look if we have any leaves. No, we don't. Since the car gets air on this side, would be a good idea to run your finger around the gasket, making sure it's clean. This one looks to be all right. It's still not flat, so we should be covered on that. Any debris, clean it, bring it over. Yep, it's seated. Yep, perfect. All right, now we're gonna put that back, lock it in place, and get to work on the other side. You don't have to remove the coolant line, you can easily avoid doing it. So I'm not gonna show you the process for the driver's side because it's exactly the same process, and reassembly is in reverse order. If you happen to have the same Porsche, make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. I do a lot of maintenance. I got this car with no history, so I have to go over everything. And hell no, I'm not gonna pay for the dealer service because just a simple oil change is $500, but I can imagine how much they would charge to pull up the carpet. Anyways, if you like the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. I'll see you in the next one.